To enable disable apps on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on search button located on top right corner of your screen. You'll find apps and notification after you search apps. Simply search apps. Click on apps and notification and then click on see all apps. After you do that, search for the app you want to enable. Click on the app and you'll find enable option beside force stop. Click on enable. After you've enabled it, simply open the app and you're ready to use it. This is how to enable disabled apps on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.